Okay, so the whole point of this video is for me to show you guys whether I think you should consider using Viral Launch over either Helium 10 or Jungle Scale. So if you've watched any of my videos before and you're a subscriber here at the eBusiness Boss channel, then you'll know I use Helium 10 a lot, and I still do. I've used Jungle Scout quite a bit in the past, but definitely the main tool I've been using is Helium 10. So Viral Launch is a tool that I actually think you guys are going to find quite interesting. There are so many different product research tools out there. I couldn't possibly make a video about every single one. It wouldn't be worth any of our time because we've got to find a focus and stick with something. But Viral Launch, when I started using it, made me realize that actually I should make a video for you guys to show you guys actually what it looks like and how you can use it. So yeah, hopefully you guys find this video useful. If you are new here and you're interested in these sorts of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we put out useful videos like this every single week. If you've ever got a question about anything we talk about, just leave a comment below on any video and I'll see if I can help you guys out. I'd love to see if I can help. Right, without further ado, let's jump into my screen and have a look at this tool. Okay guys, so today I'm going to look at Viral Launch, and as you will know if you've watched any of my videos before and if you're a subscriber here on this channel, I'm a big fan of Helium 10. I've also used Jungle Scout quite a bit over the years, so I thought I'd make this video to work out if Viral Launch is worth considering over both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. So there are so many tools out there, I couldn't possibly try every single one, but I do try out tools that I like the look of. So Viral Launch is one of them. They have been established quite a long time. And after giving it a go, I've realized actually this tool has enough here for me to actually make a video and show you guys how it all works. So hopefully you find this interesting. In this video today, we are going to just look at the product discovery tool. So if you're starting out on Amazon, a lot of your success is going to depend on your ability to find products and to be able to compete in the marketplace where that product is. So if you find a product and it's got loads of demand, but there's loads and loads of competition, you're going to struggle to establish yourself. So it's about being smart and making the right decisions when building out your Amazon business. So as you can see on screen, we've got a load of tabs here, but we are looking under the product discovery tab for today. So you've got a few different options along the top. Product. Now, I'm going to tell you why. First of all, I'm just really going to drill down into the keyword part of this tool, because what this allows you to do is actually sort of drill down into the actual niche, the actual topic. And you're not just going on a product by product basis. We're looking at keywords and topics and niches that have an opportunity rather than limiting ourselves on an ASIN by ASIN basis. So I won't go into these other tools because they're a little bit more advanced, but brand basically helps you find successful brands that you can emulate, and category helps you find successful and sort of hidden subcategories with lots of opportunity that you can take advantage of. So let's set some filters. Now, let's assume for this, we're only interested in selling products in the baby, kitchen and dining, home and kitchen. We'll go for those, but completely up to you what you want to include. So let's keep going down. So what else we'll do is, because we don't want to be competing with some of the big players, we'll look for a max average review count of 150. So you could go a bit higher than that, but we're just going to go for that for today. Price-wise, I know because of profit margins and what I'm looking for products between $18 and $30. Average monthly revenue, I want at least, actually, no, not 5,000. I want $6,000 a month. But no, seriously, you go for whatever suits you. Right, and you can include a keyword here. So say you're already selling a niche and you just want to try and find products to complement it. You could enter a keyword here. So let's say you have a range of dog toys. Enter the word dog. See if there's any other opportunities you hadn't thought of. Now, in advanced filters, I've already pre-selected a couple here, or changed a couple here, and this is sales to reviews. So I've said that I want at least 10 sales to every review. So this basically means there'll be 10 times the amount of sales as there are to the reviews. And based on my experience, I know that's quite a good benchmark to aim for. We are also only interested in keywords with a minimum search volume of 5,000 a month. So as you'll see, I put 5,000 in here. Then we hit show keywords and Viral Launch gets to work. So a lot of the skill and your success here will mean that you are going to need to take time to go through these results, try out different filters. So I've just completely randomly entered these filters. I've got no idea what products we're going to find, but let's see if we can find anything worth looking at. And I'll explain how all of these different tabs and columns work and what they mean as we go along. So you've got an idea score here. Now you can actually sort the ideas by basically the best idea score first. So Viral Launch have an internal algorithm that determines popular or the better ideas, good product opportunities that you should look at. They rate them 5 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. So another thing I'll mention is if you see any of these orange signs warning popular result, it basically just means that a lot of other people are looking at these particular products. So if you're not experienced, you haven't got a real reason to try and get that product into your brand, probably consider avoiding it. Let's look through. So all I'm going to do is any ones that I think look interesting, I'm just going to pin them. So wall hanging, I will pin it because it can mean a whole load of things, wall hanging, what doesn't hang on a wall. But we're looking to try and drill down a bit more specifically. But there could be some opportunity in there. Biodegradable plates. So let's have a look here. Margin, yeah, looks pretty good. Average sales, very good. Average reviews, that's quite low at 113. Good amount of revenue, good amount of profit. That is definitely something I'm going to pin. Let's maybe just look for 1 or 2 more. Cocktail shaker. Slightly higher, average reviews at 146, but pretty good. We could pin that. Buffalo plaid rug. Slightly lower estimated search volume, only 6,000. You'll see cocktail shaker, 27.5 there. So let's go on to page 2. Keep looking. Full shower curtain, rose gold pot, appetizer plates. Okay. Underbed shoe storage. So that's an interesting little niche potentially. Let's pin it anyway. You see we've got enough margin here. Average reviews at 106. Ooh, okay. Beeswax food wrap. I've got no idea what that is, but definitely pinning that. Estimated search volume 21.8 thousand. So 21,000, nearly 22,000 search a month. Definitely pinning that keyword. That could unlock a lot of opportunity. Brilliant margin. Average sales, not bad. Average reviews is really low at 50. So this is definitely something worth looking at. Monthly revenue, 6,000, 7,000. Profit, we're relying on higher margins here. So it's going to be a lower cost item, we'd hope. But yeah, you can see the idea. So what I've done is, and what we can do, is actually view the product, the keywords, the niche through market intelligence, which is another tool that Viral Launch have created to actually help you validate these product ideas. So step 1 is actually finding a niche, finding some products that you'd like to sell, that you would want to sell, and that had profit in and demand and not too much competition. But you have to validate these product ideas. And this is where I think Viral Launch have actually been quite clever. They have included more tools that we as Amazon sellers are going to use. You can understand, and I know for a fact that the people behind Viral Launch, a lot of them are actually Amazon sellers or used to be Amazon sellers. So not now, but you can see that their experience is it shines through. So yeah, you can probably see how powerful this tool actually is. And I think a lot of people are just going for, Jungle Scout, Helium 10. I certainly use Helium 10 quite a lot. But you can probably see why now I'm using Viral Launch a little bit as well. There's other filters here that you could look at. So you might be interested in, the sales patterns of a particular product. So You might just want up and coming. You might want seasonal. You might want products that are declining. You might be wanting to revive them. Typical. There are a lot of different things you can look at. So another thing I'll mention, and I won't go on too long because I want to keep this short and snappy, is you've got a tab to actually show advanced data. So on any of these potential ideas, once you've hit this, you'll see the stats for the price change, the sales change, how these are performing and when their best sales periods were. So use that, turn it on. It will help you guide through some of the data that it's being sort of spat back out at you. So we can actually see that the sales patterns for beeswax food wraps are actually declining. That's not to say that this would be a bad product. It just is something to be aware of. You're going to need to then go and validate these tools. So I'm going to do another video. I'll put it on the YouTube channel that will talk about actually validating product ideas, and I'll be showing you guys how we actually use market intelligence to do that, which is another one of Viral Launch's tools. So if you want to give Viral Launch a go, I'll leave a link in the description below, and you could also use our coupon code, which is EBOSSVIRAL. That will give you 20% off the monthly plans, 40% off the annual plans. And yeah, just so you know, if you do go ahead and use that, we will make a commission. So of course, it makes it cheaper for you, but just so you guys know, we are making a commission if you do that. It all goes towards running the channel, exploring these different tools, and running the blog and things like that. But we always like to be open and honest with you guys. So I hope you found that useful. If you've got any questions, jump down below and I'll do my best to see if I can help you out. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be the first to know about videos just like this. And we are committed to putting out useful videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, guys. There'll be more from me here very soon.